Heyo everyone! I wanted to make a quick video showing off one of my newest projects. This little beast is an 062 ST Class Hawaii. They were built by Baldwin Locomotive Works. I recently had the chance to get up close and personal with one of these little locomotives. I loved it so much I got inspired to model one, but not just that, I'm making a diorama of a sugarcane field and mill to show off the model. But for right now, I'm just going to show off the saddle tank engine here. The pictures you are currently looking at are of Oahu Sugar Company number 5. She is on display in Maui. These pictures that are currently up are what pictures I took while I was there. Here's a picture of number 5 when she was in service. That picture was not taken by me, but I took the picture of the locomotive so I can make this here. These are drawings of the locomotive I made in Adobe Illustrator. It took me a while to make them. I put some interesting stats there on the bottom of the side view picture. So with these drawings, I was able to design a shell for an HO scale locomotive. I found this little HO scale Rivarossi 060 matched the 062's pistons and wheel sets well. The model is of course On30, that's why I used an HO scale mechanism. But then I designed a shell over a period of a week. Here's a montage of what I did. After that, I finished the model. I printed it out on my Resin 3D printer. From that, I then painted the model similar to the paint scheme number 5 had in its heyday. And then I massively weathered the locomotive. I wanted it to have the appearance of a locomotive that has sat out in the Hawaiian sun for decades. So I still have a little bit left to do, mainly decaling and some basic touch-up work on the paint. But stay tuned for more updates on the project. And there you go. So, of course, happy railroading.